changed because abantu bathi babethanda ivoice yami, which is ngiya-appreciate, ngiyabonga nizwana.
Yeah.
Sawubona njani?
Ngiyaphila. Oh, yazi ba first club utana chama yabona lento ke.
And then this one video la engangithi khona abafana bayizinja, abafana bazosibulala. Siyekeleni ke. Nobody siyekeleni.
Sinyaka njani?
Give it time to breathe. Nangelinye ilanga ngiphinde ngente because ngiyazi nabantu nje every day siyakhala.
Yeah. Uthe umandla ekudleni.
Pressure is good. Angifuni unixina kakhulu. Angifuni unixina kakhulu.
But kumnandi ukuqina. Kanjani kodwa ngathi ngabe uqine nje.
Yeah, ngicela ngimxinele eduze manje ngisengekho.
Oh hayi singathi okay, yeah.
Bakhona. Ayibo ukhona, ayibo. So,
do you have a kid?
No, I'm lying.
Do you have a girlfriend? Are you planning to get married? Sanibonani balaleli emakhaya, igama lami nguSindi Mokaxaba. Silana ku KZN podcast. Ngingene ecathulweni zosisi omkhulu kakhulu uSanesh namhlanje ngimbambele ehlalweni sakhe. Hopefully nizo enjoy a moment that we're going to have with our guest today. I would like to introduce Uyanda Msomi. I know the ladies know Uyanda more than about Miss Lisa. So now we're here today to have a talk no Uyanda. We just want to know more about Uyanda. Hi, nomdayi unjani?
Sawubona njani?
Ngiyaphila. Oh, yazi ba first club utana chama yabona lento ke. Okay, I know abantu abaningi bayakwazi nathi siyakwazi, and I know most of your following usungaphika nje kodwa iqiniso yabona ilo hlobo lesilo yabona.
Yeah.
Yes. Uyanda ubani, uzalelwephi yabo. I just want to know all of that ngoUyanda nabalaleli emakhaya. I'm sure they want to know ukuthi ubani Uyanda Msomi. Siyazi nomdali.
Yeah, no. First of all, ngiyabonga for leli thuba leli. Hleze kumnandi ukufika endaweni and ucacise khona abantu bazothola ithuba lokuthi bazi ngawo. Ngiyabonga futhi nawe ukuthi uwazile namhlanje ukuba i-stand in sanamhlanje.
Yes, thank you. Thank you to Sane.
Benzo-interview kuwe bungakhona, so ngizocela ngibonge lokho ne.
Yes.
And ke ekuyeni kuphendula umbuzo ukuthi Uyanda ubani. Uyanda is basically umfana owakhulela elokishini ezalwa iPrince Mshiyeni. For most of childhood yami ngakhulela eMlazi ka-F.
Okay.
Ngakhulela eMlazi and went to school eLentujeni. Oh, ngaqala phansi ngihamba ngayohlala eLentujeni eAdams. Then I went to school eSewula and then ngase ngihamba ngofunda eSiphingo. So all this time ngi-alternate between eMlazi naseLentujeni nase-Adams, but mostly ngangiseLentujeni ngangiseMlazi. So yeah, ngumfana waselokishini nje for most of childhood yami.
Okay.
Yeah, umfana nje oLentujana ozalwe ujabulile noSakhile.
Oh nice.
uSakhile Msomi mase ukuthi ujabulile owakamkhize Sibongo.
Oh, okay. Abashadanga abazali.
No, abashadanga abazali.
Kangayona
futhi wena stand babethandana.
No, that I can tell. Ngoba ufike nobhuti wakho
Yeah,
yeah, kodwa abazali bakho bakhipha products yabona.
Yeah.
Into abayiqhenyayo nabo nayo ngayo, yes.
So kangayona understand babethandana bandla yeah.
Ngezimo zomhlaba.
Ngezimo zomhlaba phela siyazi ukuthi
siphila kuzona.
I mean akwazi kwesinye isikhathi hlukana, but it's fine ngoba phela umhlaba siphila kuona. So yeah, ibona abantu abangizala labo and ngakhule ekhaya right, ekhaya hloniphekile. Very family oriented person.
Lovely.
That's the only thing engiyaziyo nje umndeni wami. From Nkhula nje.
Oh, lovely.
I think I was surrounded by abantu abanothando nje. And which ngiyacabanga mhlawumbe ukuthi nginako umthelelo
manje sengikhulu.
Nento engiyenzayo nanokuthi phela sengikhulile manje kufana. So I think ekukhuleni kwami lokho kwaba nayo umthelelo ukuthi ngakhulisa abantu ababengithanda and
love it.
Yeah. So
no, that's great. No, it's nice ukuthola ukuthi, I always say it's important ukuphuma kwi-family that enothando, because
yeah.
it's easy for you to give love and show love to people when you grow uma ukhule with that situation.
Yeah,
You know, it's
yeah.
a nice thing. I really appreciate your parents.
Yeah.
Anyway, life is life.
Life is
Bayashada, abanye bene bashadi.
no ba sebeshada manje sebe
You
happy
know.
umunye uhappy nomuntu wakho
Umuntu
umunye
uye
happy nomuntu
life nathi siphila
kubalulekile,
kuyo mos
yeah.
nathi siphila kuyo enye into ebengifuna ukuyithola and do wawuvele nje uthanda kuba in a creative space, or it's something that engene manje when you see the potential of, say, there's a social media that can make you nje udume like within a second. Into obevele ukhulu uyithanda or into eyenzeke manje?
ngisakhula ngangulento njana ngumuntu wesport, ngithanda sport kakhulu.
Oh, lovely.
But I was also very creative because ngiyakhumbula in my early childhood ngangidweba ngibhala amaculo futhi.
Ngicela nje ukuthi you said that before, mhlawumbe nje ungishalene umlane uthi kodwa hayi manje so sizo ulana uthi ukucula
kulungile, so ngangibhala amaculo. So I guess ukuba creative, or in being in that creative, you know, setup, or in a creative mind, into eyayihlezi ikhona kumina. Kukuthi ngiqale ukulentujana uku-explore kakhulu, I guess after yabo sengidedile esikoleni, ngingathola ithuba lokuthi okay throughout ngilentujana ngi-explore manje, but yeah, into eyihlezi ngaphakathi kumina. I'm saying that because uma ulentujana umculo ma.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, she's a gospel singer, and she's a songwriter futhi.
Ubani ma wakho?
Ulo Jabulile Ntama.
Ujabulile?
Mapri N.
Really? I'm gonna Google her.
Yeah, umgooglisha, so I guess into vele iyayingaphakathi kumina. Yayingaphakathi kumina, and ngathi sengithola ithuba lokuthi ngikwenze ngabona kona ukuthi hayi cha into eyenzakalayo.
Yeah. It's emndenini.
Yeah,
okay, what shaped Uyanda? If I may ask, what shaped Uyanda to be lo muntu awuyena, and who inspired Uyanda as well?
I guess mina indlela engithola ukuthi ngishephe ngayo is definitely through umndeni wami. Njengoba sengishilo ekuqaleni. They have been a really huge inspiration in me, in terms of ukuthi noma ngathiwa mina ngifuna ukwenzani manje, noma ngathiwa ngiyashintsha manje sengifuna ukuba pilot.
There's the family.
Ngifuna ukuba pilot manje. They've always been very supportive. I remember ngidlala ama sports, they've always been there. Okay, and then sengilentujana sengishintsha ngithi okay, I want to get into this space. They've always been there. So I guess ngaphandle kwaba, I don't think ukuthi ngilentujana ngingaba la ngikhona, because ngangothi ngiyayiqala lento omunye umuntu engathi usuwenzani ke manje usuwenzani ke manje Uyanda. So ibona abangilentujana abangishapeile to, you know, lo Uyanda enguyena manje, and I think I draw a lot of inspiration from bona, because almost yonke into mina ngiyenzayo manje ngifuna ngiyaconsult and ngifuna ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi at least nabo ababe nento abazothi mabeyibuka bayiqhenye ngayo.
I hear you. Okay. Oh, well, that's very nice to hear. Enye into bengithi nje, I just need one experience that changed your life. I think you're going to talk about it. We might think ilesiyazi sibonayo, but there's more to it.
There's more to it.
Yeah.
I think for me, it's not an experience, it's indlela yokucabanga. It's indlela yokucabanga engayishintsha, and ngaba nale drive, nale passion ngimene ukuthi you know, I'm going to make it. Because ukuba kwami kolentujana ko TikTok nokuba kwami kuzona zonke lezi zinto, it's something that I planned before we began to do.
Really?
You know that.
That's nice.
I actually sat down and planned ukuthi okay, 1 2 ngizowenza 1 2 no 3 no 4 no 5 obviously lezi izinto ngithi ngizenza obvious abantu abayishapeayo kwesinye isikhathi but benginayo lento ekhanda ukuthi okay 1 2 no 3 no 4
that you wanna do
ozowenzeka.
Okay.
And I was very positive ngakho ukuthi okay ngizolentujana ngizomenza and mangimenza lo 1 2 3 no 4 ngizophumelela futhi kona.
And it happened.
And it happened and it's still happening.
Yeah.
Noma mhlawumbe ngingayona le ndlela ngifuna ukuthi kube iyona manje but I mean
But at least exactly as I was about to say, at least usaku foundation stage
yeah.
Uyama ye vision yakho of which it's a nice thing.
Of which it's a nice thing.
It's a good thing, you know.
Basically mina kwaba indlela yami yokucabanga and having leg drive kuwena show ukuthi I mean, it doesn't matter ukuthi sibani uthini, doesn't matter ukuthi kukanjani, but for me ngoba ngiyenza lento lena I'm doing it for me and ngiyazi futhi ukuthi mase ngiyenzile usibani will be proud mase ngiyenzile.
Thank you.
So it's basically indlela yami yokucabanga that changed.
I love the positive attitude because if you had positive mind, you can reach whatever goal that you have. Yeah. I love that.
Yeah.
And I know Guti Uyanda, I'm there on social media. I know Uyanda is a film writer.
Yeah.
You've got short films that you've made. And what inspired you? Is it your surrounding or is it okay? Now I think I've got a potential. I've got a story to tell, or is it my surrounding, or is it the society? What inspired you to write films? Because a film is not like we can tell a story.
Yeah,
but it's different to write a story and tell a story at the same time. Yes.
I draw inspiration from Sane when doing freshly content. Yes. Mostly content because even stories content.
Yeah.
I draw inspiration from a lot of things and I was lucky enough ukuthi ingqondo yami isebenza ngendlela I don't think kungakhona ingqondo omunye umuntu esebenza ngalendlela ingqondo yami esebenza ngayo. And not to say ukuthi is special in parts.
It is special. Is it special
Kumi?
That's you. It's special to you. Because omunye umuntu ngiyacabanga njengawe. That we need to appreciate.
Yeah.
Yes.
So kuhlukile nje indlela engilento njani engicabanga ngayo. So ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi yabo ngibe umuntu okanjalo and kwesinye isikhathi it's me taking ilo opportunity that has been given to me. Kwesinye isikhathi mhlawumbe ngafika into emqondweni wami and I'm gonna like okay yazini let me just save this and mhlawumbe this can make a really good story.
Yes.
If mhlawumbe ngihlala phansi and do my research because research ibalulekile kulezi zinto lezi.
Very.
And do research yami ngibone ukuthi how far can I take this. So I draw inspiration from izinto eziningi even from ukubuka izinto zaphesheya.
Oh yeah.
Because I think mostly of what I do is really drawn to, or it's really derived or taken from ilentujana. Izinto engiyibona phesheya zenzeka, and I feel like okay, this can really be a good addition if mhlambe mingafika la party, not just do it ngalendlela abayenza ngayo, but do it ngendlela that would suit thina, and that would make sense to abantu bala in South Africa.
Okay, what genre uthanda ukubhala ngayo? Ngiyazi nje, ngiyacabanga ukuthi impendulo ngifuna iphume kuwena.
Yeah,
I need the genre, but impendulo iphume kuwena.
I'm a very kahle into engifuna ukuyenza mina is science fiction, but I know ukuthi I'm very fluent when it comes to romantic stuff. And
I knew it. Because you're always there.
Yeah, and I'm very fluent when it comes to into nje that can capture imagination yakho and make you ubuka izinto ngenye indlela because mina mangibuka into I don't just look at into ngendlela wonke umuntu ayibuka ngayo. I've always been lucky enough ukuthi ngibe umuntu kanjalo ukuthi even noma esikoleni mina ngiyophendula answer I'm wrong.
With the
confident but lento engisuke ngiyibuka lento ngiyihlaze ngabona ukuthi hayi no lento kona yayibuyenza set lento
kuwena
kumina but if nomunye umuntu ngimtshena naye athi ukuyibuka naye lento abone ukuthi hey he was onto something, yabo.
Yeah.
Kodwa phela kuwukuthi phela, you know,
Bengayona le ade ifuna.
bengayona le kade ayifuna. So even noma ngisasesikoleni I've always been umuntu kanjalo ukuthi ngilo. I think for me it comes natural ukuthi like I don't even try.
Clearly you're a creative person, so a
Yeah.
creative person is not easy to understand.
Yeah.
So when umuntu angathi ula kanti useDubai yabo nje usubona la mabhilidi, as a creative person it's always the case. I understand it. And yabo. But another thing I want to know, Uyanda, what other projects are you involved with besides we know the TikTok, we know the film, what
stuff.
other projects?
Yeah. So I haven't been, involved in intending, but I have been involved with izinto, and I've been very grateful for YouTuber enganikezwa lona. So I was a cast on the hostel season 3.
Season 3. Oh, lovely.
Season 3 the last season, although it wasn't much to umuntu had buwa ngaphandle, but to me it was a stepping stone, because as I told you, it's something that I wrote down and planned. Okay, at least by now I should be at least done this.
By the way, how old are you? You did not tell your age.
No, you did not tell me. I did not tell you age.
How old are you? Because I'm trying to make sense. I'm trying to
Google it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
You said I should Google this age.
Yeah, humbly saying that I would money get Google it because money they say there's no.
No, I hear you.
You.
Oh wow, okay. I've got a responsibility now.
Interested in
Bona ukuthi okay asingancenga noma kuyancengeka but siyancengeka lezi zinto
but I'm young.
Very young.
I'm young.
I can tell. I can tell.
Yeah, so ngilo before.
No, we're just talking about which other projects and.
Oh, which other projects? Yes, we cast the hostel, and I had an opportunity to ngilo ngisebenza nakuZala.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, so
nice.
Those are.
At least the profile is there, Mos.
Yeah, fine.
At least one step.
Fine. Ngoba ngisho komunye umuntu ngabuya ngathi usahlele endaweni eyodwa uyindawo, but for me
it's always the case. It's always the case. It's always the case. I always say muzophika ne society you'll end up ubuyele emuva empilweni, because once wafuna ukuqala ingqondo, once wafuna ukuba nengqondo ufuna to please people, it's a problem and a huge problem, because now usuka wena kwi vision yakho, now you're saying because now I've got this pressure, the age group yami it's not lang corner and yabona abantu obani ngingcono nobani, you understand, and I'm cuter than nobani, I should be, I always say be yourself, be you, and always follow a vision yakho, because ekugcineni so you cannot please people. You need to please yourself, you need to be you. But mina anda enemunye imibuzo nje nginawo nkosamna ngiyathanda nje ukuyikhulumela uNkulunkulu wami. Hey usubonile.
Phela ukhuluma nami so kumele ukhululeke.
Yeah. So into yamithi, would you prefer, okay, for Uyanda, if you are given an opportunity, would you prefer to be behind the camera or in front of the camera?
Because izinto zami I do everything from directing, script writing.
Yeah.
Okay, sometimes I am in front of screen and I act. And arts and editing. I also do the editing.
Oh, lovely.
I'd prefer to be behind because I have more control behind.
You know what's on Glaul.
I have more control behind, as in ngiyakwazi ukubona ukuthi okay usibanibani kumele ngabe lento yenze kanje. But manje in front of camera usuku kwi character lapha, so awukwazi uzotshena isibanibani say isibanibani slight mistake nyana, just please uyenze uyisho kanje lento not kanje. So mangibeyond nginayi control lokho okay isibanibani please do it like this, and umuntu won't take offense because ngiyacabanga now as an actor if mina sengiyafika nami as an actor ngizokutshela ukuthi kumele wenze kanjani. it's not cool. It's
not at all.
You feel like so I'd prefer to be behind so I can monitor and have control.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Lapha siyabona nje ushange content mfethu usenzani. You love the Zulu content. I love it. It shows ukuthi as Uyanda unomdayi, you are proud of being a Zulu man. I love that. I love it, and I'm sure most of the ladies, that's what attracts them, because abantu besifazane siyathanda umuntu oziqhenya. Ngobuzwe bakho. So okay, now he's a Zulu man. You love Zulu content. Ufike lapho nithi hayibo nangumjitha manje wenze njani. No, I really love that, and ama challenges again. Or now in the creative industry, I know there are.
Yeah,
There's
a lot of
challenges. Yes.
Firstly, I think a challenge is basically getting funding so I can do my things freely. As in like okay, it's cool. You can hire equipment for Leo weekend Leo.
And it's quite expensive.
It's quite expensive. Gabiza uharisha equipment, but that's one of the main challenges because nento mhlambe engengicabanga yabo. It's okay yabo ngiyafuna ukwenza into kanje. But uthola ukuthi mhlambe ungaseyimalini mhlambe angikakobe right. So now I have to think about ukuthi okay, I have to kumele ngiharisha equipment, kumele ngenze ukuthi because it's not only going and shooting. There's a lot of things as my expenses. I can have money shooting and you harish equipment, but I mean, every single individual is taken care of. And,
exactly. And you have to pay people.
You have to pay people. So I think that's one of the main challenges because I think if in a colloque or if in a amandla ukuthi ngenze lokho I think mhlawumbe ngabe ngiphesheya manje.
Ngabe siyakuvuma.
Yadlala. No, but if nginamandla wenza lokho ngabe I'm not where I am now. But nakhona futhi I understand because it's a process. Izinto don't just fall into place. I mean I get it. You have to ufunda indlela
be consistent.
Ufunda indlela ukuthi okay if akwenzeki lokho kumele wenze kanjani. And also any challenge futhi. I guess it's not really a challenge, but into mina ngokwami engilento nje engifisayo ukuthi manje at least manje mele ngabe sengi at least thola islot saku prime time. As in like lento njana as an actor it will be a really huge achievement as an actor, but nakhona futhi I get it. Lezinto ithatha isikhathi ngikujahile. But
hey, mesekufile mntasekhaya ngekukumele would you be able to handle the pressure though? Would you be able?
Pressure is good. It's
no,
good.
But if you won't have privacy, would you be able to handle it?
No, I won't be able to handle it.
Thank you. I can see you're a shy person, once you're okay, but I've worked a lot with the artists, and I've worked a lot with as well my friends a lot with footers there, mama. You call them my celebrities, just missing hamba, nyayokela nje mall, you just went out for lunch and then people like, hey, touch that. Like, oh,
you know what's the funny thing? Is the only experience a match.
Imagine
and I'm not even on TV. I'm not even on TV. Which brings me to a point of impact and social media, because you might do it and take it lightly, but it's very, very, very impactful and
it changed your life anyway.
In a way,
a lot of people know you now.
Yeah, a lot of people bang that's that. But it really has the power to change umuntu.
And it's up to you ukuthi wena wenzani ukuze abantu ube ne-impact on social media.
Yeah.
Okay, iyiphi video that break Uyanda wathiwa hayi lo mfana Uyanda, this is the video?
Let's see.
There should be one.
There should be one.
Yeah, there's that video when wayenza trenda, and then messy trendile, you get more followings.
More followings. I think
Okay.
where I was getting more followings than the other time, and because the first content engangiyenza TikTok mina ngangi-actela nje, ngangi-actela ngenza ama mini series la act. And then lapho ngawathola ama followers lapho nje. I think lapho ngahlala mhlawumbe 10,000.
Wow.
And then I changed because abantu bathi babethanda ivoice yami, which is ngiya-appreciate, ngiyabonga nizwana.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ngase bangishape-ke bona, ngase ngashintsha. And then this one video la engangithi khona abafana bayizinja, abafana bazosibulala. Siyekeleni ke. Nobody siyekeleni.
Sinyaka njani? Asikwazi ukunyeka.
I think iyona video leyo abantu abaningi mabe ngibona futhi angiyona futhi leyo nayo futhi it also yangithatha yangibeka kwesinye stage.
Yeah.
But enye futhi eyangithatha futhi yangibeka ile engangihleli khona embedeni ngize ngikhuluma nentombi ukuthi ngithokoze endodeni. Angazi uyazi le. La ngigqoke khona igane eblue.
Yeah.
Futhi nakhona ngiyidlalela lapha, like ngafike ngathatha sound from i-video exister, and then I edited it, and then ngathi ngayifaka nami ngayifaka into engangathi ngangikhona lapha. But no, it was that one futhi.
Yeah.
But I think kuyahluka nginegaba ehlukile, because ngathothi mhlambe uzodlula 2 months kube nenye video, kudlula 2 months kube nenye video, kudlula 2 months kube nenye video, and
people, they are expecting Uyanda, we need to see more of Uyanda, we need to see something new, we need to see.
Nanokuthi mina I'm cool with not, ngahlezi ngisebusweni babantu. I'm cool with we just doing that one thing ngaleyo nkathi
give it time to breathe.
Yeah, give it time to breathe. Nangelinye ilanga ngiphinde ngenze, because ngiyazi nabantu nje every day siyakhala.
Yeah.
Nabantu nje every day siyakhala. Angifuni ukunqina kakhulu, angifuni ukunqina kakhulu.
But kumnandi ukuqinela kanjani, kodwa ngathi ngabe uqinile nje.
Yeah, ngicela ngiqinele eduze manje ngisengeke kodwa.
Oh, hayi ngathi yabo ngiyayizwa uqinele eduze. Yeah, but I think Uyanda.
Yeah.
What can we expect kuwena manje ukuthi okay Uyanda?
Yeah.
Silindele mfethu, silindele. Siyazi content is there. Definitely.
Yeah, content is always there. Yeah, just basically mina being myself and being true to abantu into abayithandayo, because I think kubalekile leyo nto. And I don't understand lento ukuthi abantu mase baziwa abantu babe nalento ukuthi makufika umuntu lana, so manje uzothi ayibo manje obanika lama kanjani. Mina nginalento ukuthi without mina abantu, ngifana nokuthi ngangilutho, because ibona abantu that decide ukuthi bakufollow, ibona abantu that decide to like izinto zabo.
Yeah, true.
So give the people what they want.
Thank you. Thank you. What they want.
Give the people what they want. So
do you have a kid?
No, I'm not.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I'm not a girlfriend.
Are you planning to get married?
Impilo lesiphila amantombazane manje iyangisabisa, ngiyalentojana
but amantombazane afani.
No, but amantombazane akafani, but kunzima manje mina angiboni ukuthi isikhathi sokuthi ngithole lo okuthiwa akafani nomunye, mhlawumbe ngizoba naso one day, but okwamanje
akukho lo kusathi nje inhliziyo yabona lo uvalo uthi hawe.
No, phela ngamnandi mase ngibona umuntu wami mhlawumbe ngimbona yazi umnandi kanjani uthi lento njani uthi ubuka intombi yakho nje.
Cha sengisho lo uthi yabo manje I'm sure khona nje ilist ethize bese kuba khona lo uvelo uthi okay yeah
bakhona ayibo kukhona.
I love the fact that bakhona.
No, nanokuthi bakhona phela isikhathi esiningi mabe khona usukubabukela kude abantu basuke bengakubi seduze kwakho.
Okay.
Yabo so mangithi bakhona abantu abangathathi kampani bethu bakhona but bangabukela kude.
No ngiyayihlonipha leyo nto because vele ya khona nabayabo abayiphosa I'm sure ama DM lapha kuyanyini.
Ma DM.
Kuyanyini ama DM.
Ama DM mina phela ngithatha ngokuthi phela osisi bami lapha basuke beshaya ama DM yabo. Angiyithathi lento ukuthi mhlambe phela social media sewubhuti nosisi.
Osisi yazi ukuthi uhamwe manko sami Uyanda. Can we have a date? Can we go for lunch? I'm sure.
Ekudleni ngimandla ngasekudleni bakhona nje ufuna ukuthi nje sambe soda asambe nisiyo
for lunch. Okay. Uyanda useshilo ngosami ukukhonzile ukudla yabona so bosisi. Hayi available ukuthi ningaya nje niyodla ningamDM nenze yabo niyodla uthi umandla ekudleni.
Yeah, masambe nisiyodla.
No. Thank you so much Uyanda and I really appreciate your time, the talk and I get to know more about you. Phela nathi Nkosi yami sinibukela le yabona nje it's a privilege ukuthi sihlale kanje nawe and get to know you better and understand you as a young man and amaphupho. I just pray ukuthi whatever vision oyifunayo yenzeke and you're still young. Sky's the limits. Life is about risk.
Of course.
You know, I'm sure the time even uqala lento ukuthi I'm starting content you were not aware ukuthi uzoba la ukhona inspire a lot of people. So I wish you all the best. Thank you so much and babukeli ke nami ke sengithi khumu intombi yakashwabade uNonkosi umuntu omuhle nangenyawo zakhe ngiyabonga kakhulu isikhathi neKZN podcast for giving us this time and opportunity ukuthi nje sihlale noUyanda uNomdayi siyabonga.